Hi, my name is Josh V, and I'm a rising sophomore at the Hebrew Academy of Nassau County, and this is one half of my screw-propelled vehicle. So here's the actual screw pontoon, and this is the motor attached to it. So here's a demo of it working. So I got my inspiration for building a project like this from tests done by Chrysler and done by the Russian military, and they built screw-propelled vehicles, but obviously at a much bigger scale. And so basically the principle behind how it works is that the thread digs into the dirt or whatever material that it's in, and it basically propels itself. It pushes the material past it, propelling itself just as a drill would. So this is the 3D printed model of it, and I wanted to find an easy to use, easy to learn 3D modeling software that also produced great results. So I immersed myself in multiple 3D modeling softwares like SketchUp, Onshape, and FreeCAD, but I found that Onshape was the easiest to use, learn, and I found obviously great results from it. Each half screw is 5 inches long, making total length 10 inches. But the reason why I wanted to print it in halves was because the 3D printer has its limitations as to how big it can print. And so the way they're attached is that there's a peg and a hole on each face of the half, and so they come together and they make a good fit. But that's not what happened. So what I didn't realize was that the 3D printer expands the material just by a little bit, by like 0.1 millimeter or so, and so it doesn't really fit perfectly, and so I had to use a Dremel and spend the entire day decreasing the size of those pegs until they fit, and then I was able to connect them using industrial glue on the pegs and then hot glue around. Another thing was that the hole for the motor shaft over here was also too small, and I had to use a power drill, and I expanded that too. So that's how the motor is attached to the screw using a clamp hub and some other screws that I had to screw in. And so that's what this is. But in the future of this program, I hope to connect the screw and the motor to the chassis, and then wire the motor up to the Arduino and to the battery. Thanks for watching.